we need to discuss about for real numbers a, b, and c, the equation a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. It is a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Very short, right? Okay, so you don't need to understand, you don't need to remember the entire equation. We just need to understand its application. Guys, suppose if a plus b plus c becomes 0. Okay, if this part a plus b plus c suppose becomes 0 on the right hand side, so on the right hand side we have 0 into something. No, 0 into something is always equal to 0, right? So on the right hand side we will have a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is 0. Or if you take 3abc on the right hand side, you will have a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Okay, remember this, guys. Whenever for any expression a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, okay, if a, b and c are real numbers, अगर a plus b plus c होता है 0 के बराबर, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube will simply be equal to 3abc. So now I want you to pause the video and solve this one. It's a very simple question. Please try it out. All right, so let's discuss this one. We have a, b, and c are such that a plus c upon b is -1 and a into b into c is 7/3. Find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Okay, it is not given, it's implicit that a, b, and c are real numbers. Okay, so we have a plus c upon b as -1. So if you cross multiply b on the right hand side, you will have a plus c as minus b. Bring b on the left hand side, you will have a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Right, guys? Now they're asking you the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube, right? And we have found that a plus b plus c is 0. Just now we studied if a plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Okay. And now in the question they have already given abc ka value. Abc ka value is 7/3. So 3 multiplied by 7/3 is the answer for your question. 3 cancel 7. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube ka value simply is equal to 7. Very simple, right? Let's go on to the next question, guys. X is equal to a into b minus c, y is equal to b into c minus a, and z is equal to c into a minus b. Then find the value of x upon a cube plus y upon b cube plus z upon c, the whole cube. Okay. Again, you can just pause the video and try it out. Anyway, we are going to discuss. Okay. Now, guys, from the given data, okay, if x is equal to a into b minus c hai, can I say x upon a is equal to b minus c? Okay, dividing by a on both sides, or bringing this a, okay, niche in the denominator of x, right? So either ways, you will get x upon a is equal to b minus c. Similarly, if you divide both sides by b here, you will have y by b is equal to c minus a. Okay, similarly, z by c will be equal to a minus b, right? Now, guys, when I observe that adding these three equations, on the left hand side, I will have x upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c, right? And on the right hand side, I will have b minus c plus c minus a plus a minus b. A cancel, C cancel, B cancel. It's simply equal to 0. Now, guys, x upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c is 0 hai, right? And the question demands x upon a cube plus y upon b cube plus z upon c cube. Whenever p plus q plus r is 0, okay, we studied that p cube plus q cube plus r cube basically kya ho jayega? 3pqr, right? That means, guys, for this question, the answer is thrice of x upon a into y upon b into z upon c. So 3xyz divided by abc should be your answer. It is option C, right?